Let's move to the question number 6. The diagram shows the graph of y is equal to x cube. Okay, this is the y is equal to x cube. And y is equal to f of x. And this one is y is equal to f of x. The graph of y is equal to x cube is transformed to the graph of y is equal to f of x by the sequence of transformation. Okay, this graph y is equal to x cube has been transformed to the y is equal to f of x. Describe fully the suitable sequence of the transformation. Make clear that the order in which the transformation is applied. Okay, we need to find that how this function y is equal to s cube has been transformed to the y is equal to f of x. First, we find the initial point. This one is initial point, and in this case, this is the initial point. And if there is a change of 1 unit in x-axis, there is a change of 1 unit in y-axis. For example, this is the change in x-axis of 1 unit. So there is a change by 1 unit in y-axis. Okay. In this case, when change of x is 1 unit, there is a change of 2 unit in y direction. So we can say that there is vertically stretching by factor 2. Vertical stretching by factor 2. Now, this is the point has been transformed to this point. So we need to find the how many unit it has been transformed in x-axis and y-axis. First we find x-axis 1, 2, 3. So there is a translation in x-axis by 3. Translation by 3 unit towards right. Okay. Similarly, this point has been moved to this point after the vertical translation also. So first we find how many unit it has been moved downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that and translation of by 4 unit downward. These are three operations that took place to the y is equal to x cube to achieve y is equal to f of x. Now to define the order, we should define stretching first. So we will say that vertical stretching by the factor of 2, and then the translation by, first we write translation in x-axis or the horizontal translation, and it is right, so no change in the sign. So we can say that 3, and there is a translation by 4 unit in downward. So when the catch move downward, it will be right in the -4. So this is the description of the transformation from the y is equal to x cube to the y is equal to f of x. Now you are given that the f of x is equal to a times x plus b whole cube plus c. State the value of constant a, b, c. As we know that, for example, this is the general transformation equation. For example, when we have the f of x and it has been transformed, so the equation will become in this format. Okay, and in this case, a is the vertical stretching and b is the horizontal stretching. B is the horizontal stretching. Now we have the y is equal to x cube and has been transformed to the y is equal to a x plus b whole cube plus c. And you can see that we need to define the value of a, b, c. If the function x cube is multiplied by a, so a is the vertical stretching, and we know that the vertical is stretching by factor 2. So we can say that y is equal to 2 times x plus b whole cube plus c. This to show the vertical stretching by 2. Now horizontal translation is represented by x minus h for right. So this one move into the right side, so by the 3 units. So we can say that 2x minus 3, because horizontal translation by 3, so it will be -3 in this case plus c. Now k is the vertical translation and negative k for the downward, and we know that this translation is by 4 unit downward, so we can write it y is equals to 2 times x minus 3 cube plus negative 4. F of x is equals to the 2 times x minus 3 cube minus 4. And a in this case is 2, b is negative 3, and c is negative 4. These are the constant. Let's move to the question number 7.